Hello and welcome to another video for SAT Math. These are again nonlinear relationships and we are interpreting the numbers in the relationships. These are medium level questions. This is what is the y-intercept. So to find the y-intercept, you always have to take x as 0. It's not the number outside. Minus 12 plus 1 is minus 11. Below the following transformation takes the quadratic curve this to that. So I see there is a stretch involved. There's a translation first, and x is replaced with x minus 3. So f of x minus 3 tells me that this is a 3-unit forward horizontal shift, 3 units to the right. Okay, and then it gets multiplied with minus 2. Okay, so then it's followed by a stretch factor and a reflection across the x-axis. I think all of these fit directly. Yes. Again, then a plus 1 tells me that it's moving 1 unit up. Opens downwards, so it has to look like that. So the answer could either be C or D. And I want 2 inside and minus 3 outside. That's the answer then. Range of the function. So this is an exponential function. Okay, the exponential functions never touch the x-axis generally. Okay, so it is going to be the domain has to be from minus infinity to infinity. That's not a problem. Okay. Uh, but where is the function starting? So if I were to take this to negative infinity, that would be 1 over positive infinity, and that would be 0 plus 2. So it's starting at 2 and going to infinity. That is the correct answer. The graph of a quadratic function is symmetric about the lines x equals to 4 and a maximum value 6. Okay, so 4 comma 6. Let's see some more medium level questions. Yeah, so determine the coordinates of the vertex of f of x plus 1. So the coordinates of the vertex of this one first would be important. So let's do that. 1, 4 and 4. So the coordinates of the vertex right now are minus 2 comma 0. F of x plus 1 means that a 1 unit backward left, 1 unit left. So that would become minus 3, 0. Okay, the quadratic equation this, what is the equation of the quadratic curve? Okay, passes through the point 0, comma 9. So which of these has a turning point in minus 2 and 5? This one and this one. So it either has to be this or that. Okay, there are two things that I could see. One is that at minus 2, 5, after that the curve is rising. So it's going like that. No, sorry, it's going like that because at 0 comma 9 then it has to look like that. So it's a smiling face curve. I could also insert the point 0 and find out, and that would give me this answer. Then what is the axis of symmetry? Again, I could find out the turning point first and then decide. So 2. So A has to be unknown and H has to be 3 and K has to be minus 2 and opens upwards. So A is greater than 0 if the graph passes to the 0.52. What is the value of A? So 2, 5 minus 3 square minus 2. That's 4 into 4 is 1. What are the x-intercepts? I think that's simple. If I just solve this, it's going to give me the x-intercepts, 4 and 2. Okay, that's the end of medium level questions. I'll be back with hard questions in the next video. Thank you for watching.
Welcome to Edge Learning, where we are changing dreams into success stories. Let's go. At Edge Learning, we offer courses to help you excel. Whether you're preparing for the SAT, aiming for IBA and LUMS, need O and Olevel tuition, or IELTS coaching, we have the right program for you. Forget about boundaries. We offer learning anywhere, anytime. Our expert tutors provide personalized attention in various batch sizes and one-on-one sessions, along with pre-exam review workshops to ensure you perform your best on test day. Join us at Edge Learning and take the first step towards turning your dreams into reality. So what are you waiting for? Register now or call us.